Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to talk about that how can you earn by the translation of Romanian language on Fiverr. So first of all we'll understand about the word translation and then we'll move forward to the other topics like language and earning. So let's read this paragraph for the information about the translation word and let's try to understand this word translation on Wikipedia. Translation is the communication of the meaning of a source language text by means of an equivalent target language text. The English language draws a terminological distinction which does not exist in every language between translating a written text and interpreting oral or signed communication between users of different languages. Under this distinction, translation can begin only after the appearance of writing within a language community. A translator always works inadvertently introducing source language words, grammar, or syntax into the target language. Rendering, on the other hand, such spillovers have sometimes imported useful source language calques and loanwords that have enriched target languages. Translators, including early translators of sacred texts, have helped shape the very languages into which they have translated. Because of the laboriousness of the translation process, since the 1940s, efforts have been made with varying degrees of success to automate translation or to mechanically aid the human translator. More recently, the rise of the internet has fostered a worldwide market for translation services and has facilitated language localization. So, that was the short information about the word translation. I hope now you've understood about this word. So, now moving forward to the language, and we'll also read some real quick information about the Romanian language to get little a bit of knowledge about this language on Google Chrome. So here you can see there is an information about the Romanian language on Google Chrome and we'll read that out to get some knowledge about this language. Romanian is the official and main language of Romania and Moldova. Romanian is part of the Eastern Romance sub-branch of Romance languages, a linguistic group that evolved from several dialects of vulgar language families, Romance language, just Indo-European languages, Italic languages, Eastern Romance languages, dialects, Transylvanian, Krisana, and Moldavian, Banat, Wallachian, Meramurs, Bukovinian, early forms Proto-Indo-European, Proto-Italic, Old Latin, Vulgar Latin, Proto-Romance, and Common Romanian. Ethnicity Romanians, including Moldovans, native speakers 23.6 224 million. 2016, second language 4 million and 1 plus L2 speakers 28 to 29 million. Pronunciation Romania and region Central Europe, Southeastern Europe, and Eastern Europe. So that was a short information about this language. I hope now you've understood about this and you've got little bit of knowledge about this language. So now moving forward to the main point, that is how can you earn by the translation of Romanian language on Fiverr. So we'll go to the Fiverr official website or the official platform, and here on Fiverr we'll search about the Romanian language translation. We'll search this to get the idea about the competition, the word, the pricing, and much more. So here you can see there are a lot of kicks related to it. So there is surely an tough competition for this, and you have to work hard and put your efforts to get your first order, and then you'll earn handsome amount of earning through Fiverr by doing this job. So let's check out a gig to get much more idea about this job. So here's a gig, and here in this gig there is translation of three languages. So it's Romanian is included in this gig. So we will also consider this gig in the translation of Romanian language job. So here you can see the pricing. Basic charges 1484, and pre-standard charges 4451, and premium charges 8900, 8900. Till now she got 27 orders completed with 11 reviews and 5-star rating. And by you can see, by orders on just a single gig, you can guess that the competition, oh sorry, the demand of this job is like an average. And you will like surely generate some extra cash, some extra earning in your pocket by doing this job on Fiverr. So it's basically work to do this job on Fiverr, and it's pretty easy. So that's it for today's video. I hope you've understood everything about it. It's time to end this video right here. We'll meet in the next video. Till that, bye bye. See you. Allah Hafiz.